Okay, I need to make the apple, so I do use a little bit of cake. I have this leftover cake here that's for petit fours, so I'm just going to use that. It's always easier to use white cake rather than a chocolate. So I'm just using a round cutter, and I just need to cut out several pieces. What I'm doing is pushing up from underneath to get a nice clean cut. And that's actually going to be big enough. Okay, so let me just pop a little icing here between these. And I just want to cut out a little bit of the center. And this cake's frozen, it's easier to do it when it's frozen. And then cut down here. Okay, and then the apple usually goes in at the base. That'll work. Okay, so now we just need to put a little bit of icing on it. Sometimes it's easier to hold it with something. Again, this is why I like to do it when this part's frozen, or it'd be falling apart on me. And we just need enough on here so that the fondant will stick to it. Okay, that should work. My red fondant. Take the fondant, place it right over, and then just push down there first, secure that, and then go ahead and start to smooth all this out. Get rid of some of this excess. At this point I can actually lift it up and tuck some of this under. Okay, so just as long as you can't see that, like this crease, you can still see. Now the apple usually will go in at certain areas. So if I just kind of push that one in, and then here, my finger. Like I said, just as long as you can't see those creases. You can see some over here though. Get rid of this first. Okay, now to put this on here, if you're going to transport it, it's a good idea to skewer it on. I'm not, so